Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet El Camino. Awesome, awesome vehicle, guys. Complete frame-off restoration. I can't say enough about it. This thing is absolutely stunning. Factory color combination. It's butternut yellow with a black vinyl interior, black vinyl top, and it is slick as can be. It has a killer 383 stroker motor underneath the hood. Truck absolutely rocks. 4-speed manual transmission, ice cold air. Turn the key, take it right to a car show. Just a killer vehicle. Slick paint. Factory rally wheels with the Michey Thompson Sportsmans all the way around it. Still got the original T3 headlights in it. And it is nice. Yeah, sorry guys, I don't know what that is. There's a little stone peck there, but we just missed something there. Yeah, we got some fingerprints. Somebody's been out here maw-pawing it, so what's happened. Bumpers are nice. Fun car to drive, man. Plenty of horsepower. Thing just rocks. Fun to shift the gears. But just one of those cars, everywhere you look, it's just slick. Chrome and stainless is really nice. They rhino lined the bed, then it's got the rubber mat in it too, so you can put stuff in and makes it very usable. Wait till we open up this tailgate here. You see how nice all the little cracks and crevices are. Look how nice this stuff is. I mean, this car is just beautiful. Car, truck, whatever you want to refer to them as. Just slick as can be. Nice and straight down the sides. Sits good. Got a killer sounding dual exhaust system. It's all stainless Magnaflow X-pipe system. I think this is the best buy in the building right now. I'm telling you that right now. For what we're selling this guy, you couldn't come close to building this thing. Rally wheels with the top hats. It's got front disc brakes. It's got CPP tubular front control arms. So it drives great. You hear the door button. They just opened the door buzzer still works. Aftermarket AC unit, again, 383, 447 horsepower stroker engine in it. Holley dual feed 4-barrel, aluminum intake. It's got all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets, MSD ignition, power steering, power front disc brakes, ceramic headers on it, and detailed up as nice as can be underneath the hood. Yeah, tubular front control arms. Original Z code, so it's a California car. Tinted glass. I mean, just like I say, everywhere you look, car's just nice. Dual chrome mirrors, new door handles. You can see how clean this car is. All new interior, factory bench seat. It's got the tilt column with the factory wheel, new carpet, new sill plates. Nice car. Steering wheel looks great. Look how nice the gauges are and everything. Clock still works. Aftermarket tach, aftermarket gauges underneath. The Delco AM radio didn't work. Look how nice the dash is. It's showing 45,000. I'm sure that's 145, but again, it's been completely restored. I don't know exactly, but they said there's not very many miles on the restoration. Again, X-pipe, Magnaflow, stainless dual exhaust. Yeah, look in here. How nice that is. 10 bolt, 331, limited slip rear axle. Again, this is all rhino coated, so if you put a cooler, lawn chairs, you go into the car show, or your tent for those hot summer days, it's not going to scratch up the paint, which is nice. Clean underneath. Turn the key, take that thing right to the car show. You can hear the door buzzer working. That'll drive you batty. Jack with spares in here like it's supposed to be. You can see they've definitely redone all these seats. That thing is slick. Wait till he fires this thing up. Nasty. Just get your air on, air blows cold. This thing rocks, man. A lot of fun to drive. Jack works, fuel gauge works, all your gauges down there are working, good oil pressure, parking brake works, everything opens and closes nice. Lights work. The only thing you couldn't get in here to work was the radio. Like I say, it's got stock AM and it did not come on. Like I say, everything opens and closes real nice. Oh, I don't think the wipers are coming on. Have to check them. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Oh, Oakland County Sheriff. Easy, hey, easy! Oakland County Sheriff right there.